Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled garlic cloves. First, gather all your ingredients, including fresh garlic, vinegar, water, salt, and any spices you love. Next, ensure your canning jars and lids are thoroughly sterilized and ready for use. This preparation is crucial for food safety and successful preservation. We'll aim for about 2 pint-sized jars of flavorful pickled garlic. Now, let's prepare the garlic itself. Begin by separating your garlic heads into individual cloves, which makes peeling much simpler. Once peeled, blanch the cloves in boiling water for exactly 60 seconds. This helps soften them slightly. Immediately transfer the blanched garlic to an ice bath to halt the cooking process, ensuring they retain a pleasant texture. Next, we'll create the flavorful brine that gives pickled garlic its distinctive taste. In a saucepan, combine your vinegar, water, salt, and any spices you've chosen, like peppercorns or dill. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat. Allow the brine to simmer for about 5 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors meld together. Finally, it's time to can your pickled garlic. Carefully pack the prepared garlic cloves into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Pour the hot brine over the garlic, making sure all cloves are fully submerged. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure safe, long-term storage. Let them cool, then enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.